And we're almost there. So we can now proceed to moving the bone tool so we can create the dance moves of our character. Okay, so go to Adobe Animate Creative Cloud 2017 or Adobe Flash Professional CS5. Double click the graphic symbol with the armature. So in our case, we have boy underscore movement 1. So how do we now move the bone tool so that our character will have its movement? But before that, let me just show to you that you can select a particular bone. Example, this one. And I'll show you its properties. So you click the Properties Inspector. What I want you to notice is that we have a joint rotation here, and I'll enable constraint because not all the body parts of human or of our character can be rotated 360 degrees. So we can limit the angle where it can be bent or how wide it can be bent. So you click constraint, and you can change the angle or degree here. So you can see how wide you can actually move the phone. Okay, so we'll just leave it like that with that value, and we now proceed to moving the bones. Okay, so how do we do that? We add a keyframe. On frame 5, you press F6 to add a keyframe. And if you want to move the hand, the reason why I added an invisible circle here so that the wrist can be bent. Otherwise, if you did not put the invisible circle here, the only part that you can move is the shoulder part, and you cannot bend the hand. Okay, so just move. You just need to be careful because the bone tool or armature is very sensitive when it's moving, so you need to move the bone carefully or slowly. Okay, so you want to see how the hand moves? There. So you just click the playhead in the timeline from frame 1 to frame 5. You now have the movement of the two hands. And then on frame 10, you add another keyframe, press F6. This time, if you want to move the head, there. Okay, and then another keyframe at frame 15, press F6. Move the leg. Just need to be careful because the bone tool is very sensitive. There you go. So if you want to see the movement from frame 1, you press enter. So that's the movement of your character. And if you want to add more movement, you just add more keyframes, press F6, and to move. Oops. And then at frame 25, another keyframe.